So I wanted to try the sourdough starter thing, and I don't know if I had the patience. This was on day 15. I just couldn't wait anymore for that starter to be ready. It was so sluggish. So I made a hybrid sourdough loaf. I added a teaspoon of yeast to a cup of warm water and some sugar, and the regular process with salt and flour. So obviously I ran out of bread flour here. I substituted organic all-purpose flour. Like everything could go wrong, but the end result was absolutely amazing. I cannot even put words to it. I mean, you'll see my reaction. Yeah, I don't measure because people give recipes based on where they live, their humidity, their weather, their temperature in their house, etc. So I feel like when it comes to cooking, as long as you know what to expect as far as texture goes, or what your recipe needs to look like, then you're all good. I mean, sometimes I do follow a recipe, but in the case of bread, I mean, I don't know where these people live that are giving measurements. They could be living in some high altitude, low altitude, cold, snowing, tropical, etc. So I just went with my gut, and it seemed to have worked out. So it was 1 cup of warm water with sugar. I did top up a little bit of water while it was mixing, and it was about 2.5 cups of flour in total, which is 1.5 cups bread flour and 1 cup organic all-purpose flour. Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and then I removed the foil on top and I left it in there for 6 minutes.